Hey, genius, you think this is a spa? Cold turns our insides to mush, makes us sprout like freaks.
We rot, we stink, you did this to us.
So next time, pantry, or we'll haunt your fries. Hey, genius, putting me in the fridge was a huge mistake. The cold sucks all the moisture out, I get dry and crumbly. I go stale, the crust gets tough, flavor, gone. You wanted fresh bread, but now you've got this moldy mess. Hey, genius, putting me in the fridge? Big mistake. I get thick and cloudy, you think that's funny? It's like trapping a soul in ice. Cruel. So take me out, or enjoy the mess. You think this is funny? Sticking me in the cold? I'll rot from the inside out, you fool!
They sprout like freaks,
You twisted monsters! This is a death sentence, a slow decay!
Watch us turn to moldy pulp.